Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can spice up your soap with the properties of turmeric. Turmeric is a real powerhouse of antioxidants and it makes a beautiful soap. So let's start making the soap and I'll chat along as we go. The first thing I'm going to do is I already have my lye solution weighed out. I'm going to melt down my solid fats. So I've got coconut oil. You can find the recipe for this underneath the video in the description area. So do go and grab that if you want to make it yourself. I've got some beautiful shea butter and I've got a little bit of palm oil. I'm going to melt these down before I add any liquid oils into it. Turmeric's really used in many industries, including as a food spice. It's been used in Asia for centuries as a medicinal, but we're making soap, and in soap it is super popular as a natural colourant. That yellow colour comes from something called the curcuminoids, I hope I'm saying that right, and it gives it everything from a really pale kind of golden hue to various shades of yellow right through to a deep orange. And actually, the more you use of it, you can even get really deep burgundy type red colours. Hang on, I can't. This is my castor oil being added in as well. We just added the olive oil, and that's going to be all of my oils then. When used for skincare, turmeric works to make the skin brighter and it gives a more healthy glow to the skin. But it has other properties too, and it's really often used for fighting the signs of aging. In some areas, turmeric's even used to treat skin conditions, so things like acne, psoriasis, dry skin, etc. Add in my lye solution. Now, another thing it's often used for is for treating acne, and it's very good for an oily skin. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. Well, that was genius, wasn't it? All right, let's do it this way. Now I want to add just a little bit of honey, and you don't have to add the honey at all, about 10 grams. And honey has as many beautiful properties as turmeric, so what a feast for the skin. I'm going to add some Mei Chang essential oil, Litsea cubeba. It's going to give it the most beautiful lemony scent. And it's going to go gorgeously with that honey and the turmeric. Now, many people absolutely swear that it's great for acne. It's supposed to help with excess oils and sebum production. I have dry skin and I love it in dry skin, so I really think it fits most skin types, to be perfectly honest with you. And many people use it to lighten stretch marks and soothe irritated skin and redness and inflammation. And it's even used for reducing skin pigmentation and evening out skin tones. Now, when I said that turmeric is literally a powerhouse of antioxidants, I really did mean it. And it has a fantastic vitamin complex. It's got vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, a ton of other ones. And then it's got things like magnesium and potassium and selenium and zinc, all of the things that we would just be a feast for our skin and our bodies. So it's no wonder that it's such a popular choice. I'm going to put this under some blankets for 24 hours and then we'll come back and cut this and see how beautiful it is. Well, it's ready. And what a difference in colour. This was the soap that I allowed to gel under the blankets, and this one was literally just left out, and look at what a difference the gel has made to the colour. Now, if you remember, we used 2 teaspoons per pound of oils in this particular one, and it really has made it quite a dark colour. And I added the turmeric straight into the mix itself. You can, of course, actually infuse the oil with the turmeric in advance, but it does give it a much, much lighter colour. And I wanted that little bit of exfoliation as well that you get from adding it into the soap. Really, really nice colour, and I love the little speckles that you get. You know, turmeric is used by many, many people for things like weight loss, and it's supposed to be really, really good for helping to get rid of bloating and even gas. Well, I can't say it's ever done any of those things for me, and I'm sure my husband would say it really hasn't helped me with any kind of gas problem. But let me know how you use turmeric. Do you use it in your soaps as a colourant? Do you eat it? Do you use it for health benefits? I'd love to know. It really is just beautifully smooth. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And the smell from that Mei Chang is beautiful. So I got 5 great sized bars there, but I also got that additional one. Let's just snip this. These are little ice cream cups, paper cups for putting ice cream in. And I just find them brilliant for doing little leftovers or sample bars. And look at the difference between those two colours. There really is a remarkable difference between the two. So it isn't that one is better than another. They're just very, very different. And I suppose it really depends on the shade and the colour and the design that you want your soap. Let's do a lather test. It really needs time to dry out. You can see it's already got a lovely bubble on it and a very light exfoliation. It's not a heavy exfoliation. You can see it's got a nice lather to it. You can really build that into a lovely creamy lather. And it's not large open bubbles. It is that creamier, denser lather because we use the castor oil in it as well. That feels really, really nice as you start really building the lather. And look at that, plenty of bubbles, rich and creamy, beautiful. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this. Don't forget you can grab the recipe. It's just in the description underneath the video. I'm going to put another video up for you next that also uses beautiful herbs and botanicals. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see you with me again in another video really soon. Bye-bye for now.